classified into two parts, DPDA and NPDA. DPDA stands for deterministic push-down automata and NPDA stands for non-deterministic push-down automata. What is the difference between these two push-down automata means? The power of the DPDA is not equals to the power of the NPDA. So power of DPDA is not equals to power of NPDA. Why it is not equal? I'll tell you in the example. Okay. And the number of states in DPDA, assume it like n states. The number of states in DPDA is, sorry, NPDA is 2 power n. DPDA is n, NPDA is 2 power n. So the power of NPDA is greater than DPDA. The power of NPDA is greater than DPDA. This is very, very important question for 1 mark. The power of DFA is equals to the power of NFA. But when you comes to push-down automata, the power of NPDA is not equals to DPDA. NPDA is greater than DPDA. Am I clear with this, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone tell me what is the difference between deterministic and non-deterministic? I'm not talking about finite automata and I'm not talking about any push-down automata. I'm just asking the word, what is the difference between deterministic and non-deterministic? Please let me know that.
Deterministic outputs are practical, ma'am.
Deterministic automata is?
Practical, ma'am. They can be solved in real life, but non-deterministic are just on the books, ma'am.
Theoretically, it exists. You are telling, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, a little bit what you said is correct only, ma, but the exact difference is deterministic. Of course, we can solve the non-deterministic thing also. It's some examples are only theoretically exist. Some examples, yes, we can solve. But what is the difference between deterministic and non-deterministic means? You can able to solve the deterministic things in polynomial time. Okay, you can think and you can solve that problem in polynomial time. When you go to non-deterministic, you cannot able to solve in polynomial time. Though it is solvable, you can solve in exponential time. It takes exponential time. Okay, the deterministic part takes only polynomial time, but the non-deterministic thing will take exponential time. For example, linear search, binary search, quick sort, merge sort, all these are comes under deterministic things which can be able to solve using polynomial time. But when you go to backtracking algorithms, see in future also in the automata also we can see this backtracking, everything, backtracking, greedy, all these we cannot able to solve in the polynomial time because we don't know where we will get the solution. So all the ways we will try. If one solution is not true means we will go back and check like this will do. So it will take exponential time. So deterministic means we can solve in polynomial time. Non-deterministic means we can solve in exponential time. I think I'm clear with this deterministic and non-deterministic words. Why I have explained this, we'll see with the example. You can understand in the example part. Okay, clear, ma? Difference between deterministic word and non-deterministic word. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm moving forward, ma. The next thing is, suppose I'm asking you to construct the language, construct the PDA which accepts the language WC W power R where W belongs to A plus B whole star. Language is equals to WC W power R where W belongs to A plus B whole star. This is the thing they have given to you. Okay. Now, tell me, ma, how can you able to construct the push down automata for this? First, I'm assuming my W is equals to AB. What is W power R then? What is W power R here? If W is AB, W power R means reverse of W. What is reverse of W here? Please respond. Sharat, Rishita. What is W power R?
BA.
BA, right? What is altogether the language? The language may be ABC, BA, right? And so on. Suppose if if you take another string, whatever may be. Okay, this is the thing. Now, for this language, we have to construct the push-down automata. Push-down automata means, observe carefully. First, I'm taking Q naught. Initially, the top of the stack is Z naught. So, first, ఇప్పుడు WAB అవ్వచ్చు, or it may start with AA only, or it may start with BB or BA. These are the basic possibilities. So suppose first I am assuming A. Okay, next the top of the stack is Z naught. What it will retrieve? AZ naught. Any confusion in this part?
No, ma'am.
Right? Next, I'm moving forward. Next, A. Suppose if you see any number of top of the stack is A and any number of A, simply you just push it. Okay. Next, these two things we have completed, or it may start with BB also. BB means suppose B and the top of the stack is Z naught, simply it is BZ naught. And if it is B and any number of B's, you simply push it, simply BB. Or after A, if the top of the stack is B, then also you push it. After B, if the top of the stack ante AB, BL kuda push cheyagada manam chestunam, BA. Any doubt? I think I have covered everything here, right? Any doubt up to this point? See, this is nothing but initially I'm pushing A. This is nothing but initially I'm pushing B. This is for A and the top of the stack is also A, which means A. This is input string is A and top of the stack is B, which means AB it will retrieve. BA. Next to BB. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, next. Ante which means I have completed W part here. W A muchna inka ikkade untadi. Next. After W, what do you encounter?
B, ma'am.
C. C means though the top of the stack is A or though the top of the stack is B. These are the only two possibilities, right? A munna gani, or else the top of the stack, suppose if you consider W is epsilon also, there may be a chance. Or top of the stack is Z naught. Don't do anything. Simply apply the skip operation. Skip operation means you simply keep the top of the stack as it is. Don't push C, don't pop C. Just leave it, skip. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm moving forward, man. Now Q1. In this Q1, what I'm taking, observe carefully. C is skip. Okay. If the top of the stack is A, okay. If the top of the stack is A, which means ikkada AA undanukunnam. AA case teeskondam. AA, C, again WR is equals to AA. A and the top of the stack is A, you simply pop it. Pop kada cheyalsindi. Pop enduku chestam? See, this W I'm pushing into the stack, this W power R I'm popping from the stack. This C is nothing but skip operation. So AA I'm popping it. Next, we'll consider the case AB, which means B is the input string and A is on the top of the stack, simply pop it. Next case, A is the input symbol and B is the top of the stack, pop it. Next to BB case, BB again pop it. This is the thing. Next, no more possibility here. Next, epsilon comma Z naught. No more input symbol to push or pop or skip. Simply Z naught. It will give you Z naught. Okay, now we'll check with the example. Suppose AB తీసుకున్నాను. AB and finally what is the string I'll get? ABC BA. ABC BA. First, I'm having Z naught as my top of the stack. Z naught is my top of the stack A. What I'm doing, simply pushing it. So A Z naught. Next B and the top of the stack is A means what I'm doing, simply push it. BA it contains. Next C. C and the top of the stack is B means don't do anything. You just keep B as it is. Next, I'm going to this state. Next state is top of the stack is B and the input symbol is B. B comma B. Simply pop it. I'm popping. Next, top of the stack is A and the input symbol is A, which means A comma A. Simply pop it. Pop. Next, there are no more symbol, epsilon, and the top of the stack is Z naught, which will give you Z naught at the final state. Is it acceptable or not? A, B, C, B, A. Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done, ma. I will see one more example. Suppose AB is the string. What is W power R A B A? Suppose ఇంకొకటి కూడా ఉంది అనుకుందాం. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైతుందో చూడండి. BAA ఉంది. AB simply Z0 is the top of the stack and A and Z0, which means simply push A. B comma top of the stack is A. Simply push it. Next C comma top of the stack is B. Don't do anything. You just keep B as it is. Next B comma B as top of the stack, which means pop it. Next A comma A as the top of the stack, which means pop it. Next A comma Z0. Do you have anything A comma Z0 on Q1? No, there is nothing is here. It is nowhere to go. Nowhere to go means this string is not a valid for the given language. I think I'm clear with this. Am I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about remaining? Rishita? No, Amma? Nalini?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Nalini? Nalini leda class lo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm moving forward. Can anyone of you tell me, is it DPDA or NPDA? Is it DPDA? జాగ్రత్తగా ఆలోచన చెప్పండి. Is it DPDA or NPDA? Is it DPDA or NPDA?
NPDA, ma'am.
NPDA. Okay. Any other answers can I expect? మైక్ వర్క్ చేయకపోతే చాట్ బాక్స్ లో పెట్టండి. Any other answers can I expect from you? Seema, it is DPDA. Why it is not NPDA means, what is NPDA? NPDA means it may go to more than one state on a single input. ఇప్పుడు A, Z0 Q0 నుంచి ఓన్లీ Q0 కి వెళ్తుంది, Q1 కి వెళ్ళట్లేదు. ఏమన్నా అలా repetitions ఉన్నాయా?
No, ma'am.
No. So is it DPDA or NPDA?
DPDA.
It is DPDA. Now we'll move on to the next concept. I am asking you to construct the PDA for W power R, where W belongs to A plus B whole star. Question అర్థమైందా? W power R, where W belongs to A plus B whole star. W power R means, assume W is equals to AB means W power R is equals to BA. Altogether the language is equals to AB BA. Suppose if you consider this AA, consider this simply ఇది కూడా AA, you will get 4 A's, or BB consider just here it is BB, 4 B's you will get. Suppose if you consider BA means you will get DA AB. Like this you will get. Will you able to construct the push down automata for this? మీరు కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయగలరమ్మా? ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్. Will you able to do it?
Ma'am, can you explain this one also?
Okay. W power R. Which one will you push? Which one will you pop? అని చెప్పండి పోనీ. Which one will you push? Which one will you pop? See, enduku push, enduku pop? Because W and the reverse we have to get it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
When will you push and when will you pop? Which one will you push? Which one will you pop?
If the top of the stack and the pushing element is same, we will push, ma'am. Like A and
అలాంటి
A.
రూల్ ఏం లేదమ్మా మనకి. క్వశ్చన్ ప్రకారం మనం ఆలోచించాలి ఏది పుష్ చేయాలి ఏది పాప్ చేయాలి అని. దెర్ ఈస్ నో రూల్ ఆన్ పుష్ అండ్ పాప్. బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు థింక్. సి ఇప్పుడు దిస్ ఇస్ ద లాంగ్వేజ్ W పవర్ R. సపోజ్ నేను W ని పుష్ చేసి W పవర్ R ని పాప్ చేస్తే ఇఫ్ ఐ గెట్ ద ఎంప్టీ స్టాక్ దెన్ it is accepted, is it not? Which one will you push, which one will you pop means we will push W and we will pop W power R. Right,
Okay.
ma? Now, for this, my question is, see here it is ABBA. ఇదే కదా మనకి లాంగ్వేజ్ ఇలా ఇచ్చారు అనుకోండి. How can you know that which one is W and which one is W power R? Where it is starting, where it is ending? How can you know that? నేను అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ మీకు అర్థమైందా? శరత్, నళిని, రిషిత.
Length
Ma'am,
of the string.
no, ma'am. Can you repeat?
Seema, here I have given it clearly W power R. First W you push it into the stack, W power R you pop. Then we can say that if we get the empty stack, it is accepted, otherwise it is rejected. I told you. Now, but they will not give you W power R, no, they'll give you some language like ABBA. How can you say that? How can you know that where W ends and where W power R starts? Suppose ఇక్కడ నేను ABA అనుకోవాలని ఏముంది, నా స్ట్రింగ్ ABB అవ్వచ్చు కదా, right? There may be a chance. I'm asking, my question is, how do you know that where W ends and where W power R starts? I think you got my question, right? Did you understand the question first, what I'm asking?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, we cannot determine, by seeing the language, we cannot able to determine where it starts and where it ends. Then, is it possible to construct? Yes, of course possible. How can we construct? Observe carefully, then we will discuss again. Q naught on A comma Z naught, it is going to A Z naught. Simply I'm erasing this. A Z naught, and any number of A's if I see, I'm pushing into it. Next, A comma top of the stack is B, then also I'm pushing into it. Next, B comma B, I'm pushing into the stack. B comma Z naught, I'm pushing into the stack. B comma A, I'm pushing into the stack. I have completed all the transitions, all the possibilities. Next, Q1. Observe carefully. A comma A, I'm just simply popping. B comma B, I'm simply popping it. Okay. Now, here also, here I'm writing A comma B, I'm popping it. B comma A, I'm just popping it. And any number of A's, I'm just popping it. Any number of B's, I'm just popping it. Next, nothing is there to push or pop, and Z naught is the top of the stack. Z naught only we will get. QF is the final state. Assume this is the thing we got, ma. Suppose I'm considering AB, BA. Okay. Z naught. A comma Z naught. What we will do? We will push. B comma A. What we will do? We will push it. Next, B comma B. B comma B, what we will do? We may push or we may pop. ఏదైనా చేయొచ్చు మనం. ఏదైనా చేయొచ్చు అంటే we have to think about the string and we assume that this is the center of the given string and we will do pop. Next, A comma, what is the next? A comma A and top of the stack is A and input is A comma A, which is simply pop. Next, epsilon, no more elements, epsilon comma z naught, as we reach it to final state, so it is accepted. Now you tell me, is it deterministic or non-deterministic? Is it deterministic or non-deterministic?
Deterministic.
Deterministic. Any other answers can I expect? Rishita and Nalini, what do you think? I'm expecting answer from Nalini.
Ma'am, I think it's non-deterministic.
Non-deterministic. Rishita?
Ma'am, non-deterministic only, ma'am.
Yes, it is non-deterministic. Why? Because Sharat Cheppamma.
It's going to single state, no, ma'am. Like it's not
Not
going
single
to
state, man. Observe here. A comma A, here it is going to Q0. Same A comma A, it is going to Q1, right? Same input, it is going to different state. Q0, A is the input symbol and A is the top of the stack, it is going to Q0. A is the input symbol, A is the top of the stack, it is stack, it is going to the Q1. So same input, same top of the stack, it is going to two different states. No, now you tell me.
non-deterministic.
So it is non-deterministic. ఎందుకు non-deterministic అన్నాము? Because we cannot able to determine the center of the given string based on the center only. This is W and this is W power R, because length is suppose 4 ante 2 untadi, 6 ante 3 3. So we can determine the center of the string using some constant. A constant ఏం లేదు కాబట్టి we cannot able to determine. Still we can construct. ఎలా construct చేయొచ్చు? Just based on the assumption, based on the given string, you assume either push or pop, ఏదో ఒకటి assume చేసుకొని solve చేయగలం. This is the only example which is important for which is the only example we have in our textbook, that is language is equals to W power R. I think I'm clear with this, right? Right, ma? So DPDA exactly contains n state and NPDA contains 2 per n, because it is going to two states, no? Single input, n is equals to single state A, single input A, 2 per 1, two states can. I think I'm clear with this, right, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's why NPDA, DPDA, two classifications are there, NPDA and DPDA. Sorry, NPDA and DPDA both are not at all equal. NPDA power is greater than DPDA power. So this is the next concept, that is DPDA and NPDA. In the next session, we'll discuss about closure properties. Inka two topics unnayamma, closure properties and one more concept is CYK algorithm. Ee rendu chepte module ayipotundi. By this week I'll complete the module. I'll give you one question. L1 is equals to A power n, B power n, C power m. L2 is equals to A power m, C power n, sorry, B power n, C power n. What is L1 intersection L2? What is the language you will get? Find out the language L3. Find out L1 intersection L2. Find out this and construct PDA if possible. First దీనికి construct చేయండి, దీనికి construct చేయండి. Where n greater than or equals to 1, m comma n greater than or equals to 1. First ఈ రెండు construct చేయండి, తర్వాత intersection నేను చెప్తాను. Will you do it, ma? Sharat, Rishita and Nalini. First do push operation, pop operation, skip. Skip, push, pop. Will you do it? Say yes or no. Sharat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you complete, ma. Construct L1, L2 push down automata. Have you completed, ma? Sharad, Trishita, Nalini. At least have you tried how to construct L1 and how to construct L2?
Yes, ma'am.
So A power n, B power n, C power n means, assume this is the Q naught. A power n, B power n means always A will come first. So always the top of the stack when pushing A, it is A Z naught, and any number of A's we will simply push it. Okay, next. B is the next string, and any number of A's you see as top of the string to pop it. Any number of strings, which means you pop it. Next, on C, don't do any operation, simply skip it. Any number of strings, already push and pop is over, no, simply there will be Z naught. This will be the final state. Simply skip operation. Same, I think you may do the A par M, B par and C par n. First A par n, you skip it. Skip it means A comma Z naught, you simply keep Z naught only. Don't push, don't pop. I think I'm clear with this, right? Same, I'm writing the L2 also, ma. Any number of A's, don't do anything. Simply you keep Z naught as it is. After that, okay. After that, B power n, right? B comma Z naught, you simply push it. Any number of B's, you simply push it. After B, there is a C. C and top of the stack is B. You simply do pop operation. Any number of C's and the top of the stack is B. You would simply pop it. Next. I think this is over. Next, nothing is there to push epsilon comma Z naught. Simply it is Z naught and it is final state. Right? This is L1 push down automata and L2 push down automata. What I'm asking now? L1 intersection L2. First tell me what is intersection L2? What is the language we will get? The language we will get is
A power n plus n.
A power
M plus n.
M plus n.
B power n square.
Next.
C power n plus n.
Is it n plus n or
Sir, ma'am, here C power n plus n.
C plus?
C power m plus n.
No. Okay. Whatever may be, ma. Simply here I am assuming m is equals to n. I am assuming. If this is the case, what it will become? Simple ga din mottan in n anukuntunna. B power n. N plus n means 2n. A power 2n, B power 2n, C power 2n. It 2n kuda nen n to replace chestunna. What I'll get? A power n, B power n, C power n. Can we able to construct the push down automata for A power n, B power n, C power n? For example, I'm assuming m plus n is equals to n, ma. Okay, everything we will get 2n. In this 2n part, I'm replacing n only, or 2n consider chesna manaki em problem ledu. Can we able to construct the push down automata for this example? Nalini?
No, ma'am.
Enduku no?
Ma'am,
Because all
push A and B and C will be remaining.
C still be remain, but enduku skip cheyatledu because anniti power same undi. Anniti power same unte we cannot able to skip it, right? So push down automata can able to count only one, right? Any B ni maatrame count cheyagaladu. It cannot able to count more than one count, which means C ni kuda count cheyalante we need one more stack. One more stack ante push down automata inkoka stack ledu manaki. Push down automata means which contains only one stack. One stack can able to count only one thing. So it is not a CFL, but individually L1 and L2, individually L1 is CFL. CFL means the language which can be accepted by push down automata. L2 is also a CFL, but L1 intersection L2 is not equals to CFL. So the closure properties are nothing but in the closure properties, intersection is not closed under context free language, because when we do intersection of any two languages, we cannot able to construct the push down automata. So intersection is not closed under context free language. You remember this point. What are closed under CFL, what are still not closed under CFL? We will discuss that, those things in the coming session. So in the next session, we are going to discuss about closure properties after completion of this CYK algorithm on Wednesday session. By Wednesday, I'll complete this module. Okay, if you have any doubt, please raise your voice.
Ma'am, once explain that L2 no. A power M, B power N and C power N.
ఏముంది మనకి లాంగ్వేజ్ ఏ పవర్ ఎమ్ సి బి పవర్ ఎన్ సి పవర్ ఎన్ అవునా. ఏని నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నా, స్కిప్ చేసేస్తున్నా. బిని మాత్రం పుష్ చేస్తా, సిని పాప్ చేస్తా. దిస్ ఇస్ స్కిప్ ఆపరేషన్, దిస్ ఇస్ పుష్ ఆపరేషన్, దిస్ ఇస్ పాప్ ఆపరేషన్. ఓకే, ఇనిషియల్ గా నాకు స్టాక్ లో Z0 ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను, Q0 దేంతో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, ఏ పవర్ ఎం అంటే ఎం ని 2 అనుకుందాం, ఎన్ ని కూడా 2 అనుకుందాం. అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది, ఏఏ బిబి సిసి, ఇది స్ట్రింగ్ అనుకో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. వాట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు డూ, ఏని మొత్తం స్కిప్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నా. ఏని స్కిప్ చేయాలన్నప్పుడు టాప్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టాక్ ఏముంది,
A, Z0.
వాట్ ఇట్ విల్ గివ్, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ డూయింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్.
AZ0
రాయకూడదు. AZ0 రాస్తే యు ఆర్ పుషింగ్ అని మీనింగ్, లేదా ఎప్సిలాన్ రాస్తే యు ఆర్ పాపింగ్ అని మీనింగ్. డోంట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ ఆన్ ఏ అంటే సింపుల్ గా టాప్ ఆఫ్ ద
Z0.
స్టాక్ ఏముందో దాన్ని అలాగే ఉంచేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకొక ఏ ఉంది, ఇంకో ఏని కూడా డోంట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్. సో డోంట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ మీన్స్ A, Z0 ఇది సాటిస్ఫై అయిపోయింది కదా, సేమ్ కండిషన్. A, Z0 సేమ్. నెక్స్ట్ B కి వెళ్తున్నా. B, వాట్ ఈస్ ద టాప్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టాక్,
Z0.
ఏం చేస్తావు బిని, పుష్. ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తాను, బికి పుష్ రాస్తాం. పుష్ అంటే BZ0, సో B ఇంట్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఎనీ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బీస్ యూ సింప్లీ పుష్ ఇట్. సో B, B యూ సింప్లీ పుష్ ఇట్. ఈ బిని కూడా నేను పుష్ చేస్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ సింబల్, C. ఓకే, C and the top of the stack is B. What you will do? Do pop operation. Am I clear, ma?
Yes.
So, pop jarigindi. Next, any number of C's and the top of the stack is B, you just simply do pop operation. Incode kuda pop ayindi. Do you have anything in your string?
Nothing, ma'am. Empty.
Nothing. What is the top of the stack?
Z0.
So it is going to final state.
Okay.
Clear, Aseshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Seema, when they have given m comma n with 3 variables, generally only with n, by using 3 variables we cannot able to construct. But when you are having 3 variables but the power is with the combination of m comma n, we can able to construct. ఎందుకంటే m n రెండు వేరు అన్నప్పుడు m count కి n count కి సంబంధం లేదు అన్నప్పుడు we can able to construct the push down automata. But with the 3 variables and the power is same means we need more than one stack, so we cannot able to construct push down automata. I think I'm clear with this concept. Right, ma? Sheshu, ardhamainda?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubts? If you have any doubts, please raise your voice. Still, if you have any doubt, please respond. Nalini, ni clear amma? Push down automata clarity ochinda?
Yes, ma'am.
See, ma, push down 4 modules I have spent more time on this push down automata only. It is easy, but understanding is difficult. That's why I have explained a number of times same examples. If you understand one example, remaining everything will be easy. I think you got some clarity. A number of times I have revised how to push, how to pop, how to skip these 3 things. Right? Rishita, any clarity ochindamma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Still, if you have any doubt, please raise your voice. Please solve the examples which are available in your notes. ఆ నోట్స్ చాలా క్లియర్గా రాసిందమ్మా. నోట్స్ ఒకసారి చూసినా మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. Go through that and prepare. At any point of time, you may ask your doubts. Prepare అవ్వండి, డౌట్ వస్తే అడగండి. If you don't have any doubt, means I'll end the session. Shall I end the session?